Right, what we've just done is we've cranked the engine with the rocker cover off to make sure there's oil getting up there.
With the glow plugs out.
With the glow plugs out.
No strain on any of the bearings.
We're now going to connect up the fuel lines,
bleed
the fuel system through.
And then we'll put the glow plugs back in and hopefully it might start. I didn't even blow it.
Right, I mean, going for a start, you probably just heard it. Currently absolutely...
The technical term is I'm currently shitting it.
Yeah, I'm bricking it a bit as well.
Fucking CD players having a fucking spasm.
What's that happening out behind? I know it's a bit... Hell! You should see the shit that's come out of your exhaust.
Well, it's full of water at the moment. There's no oil going down. Listen to the fucking thing roping.
This is running.
Oil pressure, James, I'll cut the video.